Hi, Kumar here. Now we're going to be going over the Strategy 1 long trade example. So now with this long trade example, we have an ABC formation that is spotted in an uptrend, and we're looking to enter when the price goes up 25% of the A to B move from point C. So why do we know that this is an uptrend? Well, we can tell that because of the moving averages. They're all pointing upwards, they've all got an upward slope, and we can see that by the normal designation where the red is a 200, the orange is a 50, the green is the 20, and the blue is the 10, we can tell that all of the MAs are in the right order, which shows that we are in an uptrend. So as you can see, we've got pointed out the A, B, and C, and obviously that's spotted in an uptrend. So now we're going to be looking to take a long trade here if price goes up 25% of the A to B move. So if we have the A to B move here, 25% of this move, if it rises that many points, which is 25% of A to B move from point C, we are going to be wanting to enter for a long trade. So now we see that price breaks the 25% mark and we enter. We place a stop below the C point as shown. So as I've indicated here, we've got this A to B move, and we take 25% of this move, and from point C, a rise of that many points is where we would enter. So price does go up 25% of the A to B move from point C, and we enter as shown. And then we place a stop just slightly below the C point, and the C point, what we mean by this, is the lowest point, the lowest pivot point, as I'm indicating right now with the arrow. That's point C, so just slightly lower is where we place the stop. We then manage the trade as shown. We move the stop to break even when the price reaches the 50% mark as shown. And then we exit the full position at the D point, which is the 100% mark. So if we see this 25%, this 50%, this 100%, it's all related to this A to B move, because that's what we know before we enter the trade. We know how far price has gone from point A to point B, and that is our 100% mark. Then we take 25% of that, and that's our entry. We take 50% of that, and that's our break-even price. And then we take 100% of that, and remember, this is all from point C. The 100% mark is our point D, because of AB equals CD. And we then exit our full position, meaning we sell our position at the D point, which is the 100% mark. So that was a long trade example. Now let's take a look at the Strategy 1 short trade example. I'm going to cover this in the next video. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University. Please go on to the next page to continue the training.